Hi guys, welcome back. How are you? Like really, how are you? I hope you're well and I hope this video brings a smile to your face. Have you ever wondered how those cakes you've seen online are so shiny and you're just like, oh my god, how do they do that? Well, I'm going to let you into a little secret. You will be using a lot of product, but I promise it's worth it. So let's go and make it. If you'd like to create the wavy effect on this cake, click above. Place your chilled and frosted cake on your turntable. It would be even better if you coloured your cream to a closer shade of what you'll be spraying your cake with, so you don't use as much product for the overall effect. You can use the following products to create this look: edible lustre spray, an electric airbrush or a manual airbrush, which is my favourite tool whilst decorating, which will be available to purchase soon, or even a large brush. So you start spraying the paint in small amounts while spinning the turntable until you are happy with the coverage. Once this effect has fully come through, start using your edible glitter of choice, using your manual airbrush or a large brush, and apply it where you'd like. Don't forget to clean your cake board using a damp tissue, as this gets really messy. You can save the glitter that has fallen on the cake board too, but I personally discard it as I find it safer. It's actually glowing, isn't it? And we haven't even used any filters. Show up with this cake to your next event and give your friends and family something to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.